guys, welcome to my channel Traders Beauty. How you all doing? And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Okay, on my last video I made a video on how you can make your own avocado oil at home using avocado dry skin and avocado seed. This is the leftover, so I told you guys on that video that I won't be throwing the leftover. Okay, so today I will be showing you how you can use the leftover as an hairspray on your hair. Okay, this is the leftover, and we will be needing vitamin E. Okay, so now let's continue, guys. We'll be needing before this my special pot though. I love this so much. Okay, just add it inside. Okay, because there is still ingredients inside it. Okay, we still have our coconut oil and a lot of ingredients inside this. So what I will be doing next, okay, what I will be doing next, I will be adding 1 cup of water to it. Okay, is like this, guys. So putting this on fire. Always remember on low heat, guys. This has to be on low heat. Okay, I will be leaving this for some few minutes. Okay, wow, is like this. I left this just for 20-25 minutes. Okay, what I will be doing next, okay, out. Okay, you can see the reason why I said I don't throw it away. Okay, you can see the oil is the oil. So what I will be doing next now, I will be adding my vitamin E capsule. Be adding 2. Okay. Avocado hairspray. Okay, what we'll do next, see how it is. Spray, you shake it first before you use it. Okay, guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Okay, love you guys.